Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have a Geo SIM and a 5G capable phone. Start now by enabling mobile data and selecting 5G or NR in network settings. Next, back up current APN entries or note them so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Mobile Network right arrow access point names to add a new entry. This ensures you don't overwrite working configurations and lets you test the Geo 5G APN cleanly. You will now input the specific parameters that let your device reach Geo's 5G core. Create a new APN and type GeoNet into the APN field. Set APN type to default, supple so internet and assisted services route correctly. Make sure username and password are blank and authentication is none. Wrong credentials block connections. Also check that MCC/MNC match the SIM or are left automatic. Once saved, select this. After selecting the new APN, toggle airplane mode off and on to re-register to the network. This forces the phone to fetch updated provisioning. Then verify you see mobile data and a 5G or 5G Plus icon and run a quick speed test to confirm performance. If you don't connect, make sure preferred network is 5G/NR. Reset APN to defaults or power cycle and reinsert the SIM. One troubleshooting tip. If issues persist, switch to automatic APN selection or try a different APN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.